Now, the Ghana Revenue Authority is urging citizens to demand VAT invoices and comply with tax obligations to enhance revenue collection. This comes as the government plans to scrap taxes like the e-levy, the COVID-19 levy and the betting tax in the 2025 budget. There's more on the following report by Daniel Sakiti.
The event brought together students, entrepreneurs and key stakeholders for a comprehensive sensitization on tax obligations and the critical role of compliance in addressing Ghana's recurring fiscal deficits. Chief Revenue Officer at the Office of the Deputy Commissioner in charge of Operations, Victor Akogo, emphasized in a sideline interview that strengthening domestic revenue mobilization is essential to reducing Ghana's dependence on external financing from institutions such as the International Monetary Fund.
There is the need for sustained education for them to understand that they have earned income and they ought to pay taxes. That is the direct taxes. And we also have the indirect taxes. We are also saying that all consumers should be able to insist on the collection of their VAT invoices, because a VAT is imposed on goods and services. And supply of goods and services, anyone who does not collect his VAT invoice gives the opportunity to the supplier to keep the government tax money. And for that matter, every consumer must insist on collecting his VAT invoice so that the supplier will be able to account for the VAT. Government will get needed revenue, and therefore we will not go to IMF for collection of loans, which becomes a burden.
Meanwhile, Fiscal Policy Advisor at Oxfam, Dr. Angela Alu, expressed confidence that student entrepreneurs will fulfill their tax obligations, ultimately contributing to national economic growth.
The main idea for this program was to really provide a platform for GRA as others within the, should I say it, like the regulatory and then the financial services sector to interact with students, especially when it comes to tax compliance. And then our hope is that today was just the beginning of many more of such conversations. We are hoping that even as this information is going out, that other young people would also, based on what they have heard or maybe what their friends share with them, also see the need to be compliant in their businesses.
The Ghana Revenue Authority says it stands ready to support the government in achieving its revenue targets as it pursues its development agenda. For CNL Business, I am Daniel Sakiti.